ELMETRO presents ELMETRO-SPU bench for verification and calibration of level instruments. ELMETRO is one of the leaders in the market of instrumentation and metrology equipment. Our production strategy is based on modern high-tech research and development as well as manufacturing processes. The company has been working in Chelyabinsk since 2008. ELMETRO products are applied in all industries and any climates. Development and production of verification benches and equipment is one of the company's priority activities. ELMETRO is the most experienced manufacturer of benches for verification of level instruments in the country. 3/4 of Russian metrology labs accredited for verification of level instruments use the ELMETRO-SPU benches. ELMETRO-SPU bench is designed for automatic verification and calibration of level gauges of different types and measuring principles: radar, magnetostrictive, guided wave radar, float, displacer, and ultrasonic. One of the versions of our benches, ELMETRO-SPU-A, is used for verification and calibration of level instruments by simulation of liquid level measuring within the range reaching 50 meters. The ELMETRO experts analyze the gauges and the requirements of the client, the objectives and aims, industrial specifics. They select the optimum configuration of the bench, taking into account the ergonomics and convenience for the operator, laboratory parameters. Simulation of the change in the level is performed in the horizontal plane by displacement of the moving element with reflective surface against the fixed base on which the verified instrument is placed. The distance simulated by the bench is set using the standard linear displacement transducer. Linear part of the bench is a metal shape with precision guides on adjustable supports. The linear part consists of the moving element that is displaced by the servo mechanism. The displacement of the moving element and its high-precision positioning are performed using the control software. The linear displacement transducer is used to determine the position of the moving element of the bench, having the reflective target against the fixed base. That is, the basement for placing the verified level instruments. Verification of displacer level gauges is organized on a separate stand. The operator work table is made of a metal frame. A socket block is built into the frame to connect devices to the 220-volt AC source. The table has an anti-static worktop. A grounding screw is placed on one of the supports. A lighting lamp is included into the supplied package. A superstructure is provided for the convenience of the operator. It accommodates different pieces of equipment for the bench control: the laboratory power supply block, the module for controlling and monitoring the bench power supply and for the protection from unauthorized access, as well as the module for verifying the alarm actuation of the instruments. The connection panel has 4 channels for simultaneous verification and warm-up of 3 level instruments. The superstructure is used to install multi-channel high-precision multimeters. On the reverse side, there are modules for connecting the bench to the 220-volt grid and communication of the operator's workplace with other bench assemblies. The measured parameters are transmitted via the RS-485 or HART networks. An inbuilt PC with pre-installed proprietary software controls the bench operation. It prepares the verification or calibration reports. One of the main functional elements of the bench is ELMETRO Pascal 03 standard calibrator of amperage and voltage. It receives the readings from the level instrument. It is supplied with the ARM Eurovan software that allows for maximum automation of the level instrument's verification and enhances the operator experience when working with the bench. The bench dimensions vary depending on the requirements of the client and range between 4.5 and 32 meters. ELMETRO-SPU bench is the best solution for automation of level instruments verification and calibration. ELMETRO, energy of innovation.